Hey everyone, this is a little quick update here. This is the shipping container shop. We're not 100% done, but we're at a comfortable stage with the doors for the back and the side here. So this is just like an Amazon door, like hipster kitchen door, bathroom door thing, and then I just bought a piece of flat bar and made like standoffs. And then this is obviously the steel from the shipping container, 2 square tube frames, so like the door frame, and then this door, and then move some stuff over there, but it slides all the way across, and yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm still designing like a lock to pull it like closed. But yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with the outcome of this so far. I have a handle built for it too as well. Okay, here we go. Here's the handle. It's kind of cool. It's a connecting rod from like a lawnmower and some gears and stuff. Big piece of round bar. Gonna go on there. Something like that or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But yeah. And then there's this door back here, which is pretty cool. Again, used shipping container material, 2 metal frames, but didn't really want to do a sliding door with this one. I don't really have a good defense why. I think it was because there's a bunch of stuff over here, and then I don't know. I don't really know. I wanted to do something different, I guess. So yeah, this one's got some of those like big latch things. These are tacked on here right now. So just take that off there, and then this one off here. Then there's going to be a big handle here kind of thing, but and it just kind of swings open. So I thought that was pretty cool. 2x2. Or no, sorry. Yeah, this is 2x2 and that's 2x3. And I think the reason I didn't really want to slide it, I guess, I knew that this stuff was here and the idea that this always kind of would be here, but this goes all the way around to there, so it's kind of like the same thing. But anyways, yeah, it was different. Just, I don't know, I wanted to do something different than the sliding door. Either way, it's going to be a headache with snow and stuff, and I probably won't use it very often, but it's cheap. It's just labor intensive, but it just hinges, like Amazon hinges and some flat bars and stuff. But yeah, it's pretty cool. And then you grab the handle there, and kind of need both hands for this one. So yeah, I still got to figure out like some grade. I got to do some grading and finish some welding, and I got to make some like covers up there to get so that there's like asphalt stuck in there right now. But this is like the bottom of another container, right? So fill those in, a little void over there, spray foam this door, do a weather seal on this one and that one, figure out a lock on that one. But like we're at a point now where I can kind of a little bit about the doors and focus on other stuff. But yeah, that's what I'm working on with these. That's what I've been working on with these doors. It's kind of a little side project, and I'll eventually have something to show up there. There's the office going in up there, but not enough to really brag about yet. So yeah, thanks for watching.